Yo,
What's
what's up?
up? Okay, so now we are in Kedungu area. Kedungu actually just 10 kilometers to the west from Canggu. So today we are going home, going to Tabanan. But first of all, we will just passing from Canggu and then we will pass Kedungu and Yehganga area. And seems like Kedungu area is nowadays going develop much because it's nowadays becoming the surf points, the new kind of a new
New
surf,
Canggu,
new
actually.
Canggu.
Everything from Canggu actually is going more into west, into Tanah Lot direction, and then Tabanan. So today we will show you the area. So as you see, it's beautiful rice fields over here, and here is some local house. And here is already land for rent.
All right, so we see nowadays Kedungu is a small village, and now bit by bit, the land becoming, like for sale or for rent and changing it to the new building. Look, and then also look at those buildings from the far. I never seen that building, but it's just like a new.
Yes, there are new buildings and new villas. And here between the villas, this is the one farmer and his corn field. So still farmers and stuff like this, but here also next to him and between him, the buildings and villas.
Okay, so just like this one, dijual tanah parsial, sudah aspek perumahan, means like this land is sold for the housing complex. And you see that some of the part already sold. And then you see Jalan Pantai Kedungu and this road. And you see over there, the land actually already put the small street and path.
So basically you see the road over here, this is the temporary wall and will be permanent soon. And this land over here and this land over here will be the houses. I'm not sure, villas or houses, normal houses. However, maybe next 2 years you will see the residential area.
Yeah, so
here.
The land, the rice paddies slowly turn into the buildings. I don't know, could be like Damian said, could be villas, could be the housing. And you see, surround still rice paddies. So yeah. I don't know how it is in the future later on.
This village is actually like little bit like Pererenan area of close to Canggu, like 10 years ago, something like that. So basically, in my opinion, in 10 years ago, this area, this beautiful village, gonna become something like Pererenan, which will be the local houses, and between gaps, where is now gaps between local house and this rice field, will be like, say, villa or shop or restaurant or I don't know, something like this. If, of course, the tourism will still exist, because, well, now everything is slowed down, but I think will be like this anyway.
Yeah, just like in Canggu, I think that Canggu 10 years ago is just like this. And then on the left side here, as you see, Kubu Kedungu, Umah Kedungu, kind of villas here, villas. Nowadays, see, building and building.
Exactly, this is like a new construction.
New construction, building, new building. This one is the Villa Puspa Kedungu.
All right, so we are stopped on the middle of the road. Actually, beautiful palm trees, coconut trees, and the rice fields. Unfortunately, I think this area will disappear the rice field will disappear in the next 10 years, especially as over there is already one hotel, guest house, and some restaurants. And the beach, actually, from this point where I am now, beach is over there, maybe less than 500 meters. So, yeah, but look, it's so beautiful over here.
It's very peaceful in the morning. And yeah, like Damian said, I think that's kind of a new hotel built just like, it's not so long ago. I mean, like only 2 or 3 years ago. That new hotel and that also hotel there. And when we passed there before, there is a villas, hotels, yeah. And this area also surround with the locals housing. I don't know what to say. Maybe all the development nowadays, getting to the west and west, from Canggu to the west. And Let's see how it is in 10 years. Is it still like this or change? Okay, so now we are going to the beach, and then let's see how is the beach nowadays there, because the beach is kind of a new surfing spot in Tabanan.
Look at this lady over here, she's doing something.
So yeah, this is how the farmer working. Yeah. You see some surfers already. And this is what I want to show you about the hotel. This one is called Swell Hotel Restaurant and Bar. I think that it was just built only a few years ago. I mean like 2 or 3 years ago. You see, surrounded with the rice paddies, and also in the front is the restaurant. Well, unfortunately, the Pecalang closed us because the beach is closed. We just turn a right and then just wanna discover at the end of the road. We turn left.
At the front, I can see it's like a new villa, and we will see. I never been here actually.
We never been here actually. This is my hometown, but to be honest, I don't really explore this area. And look at this.
Nice villas around. Actually, 2 villas, modern and modern, the new one. Very nice looking.
Yeah, there are 2 new villas surrounded by nice rice paddies.
Still surrounding by the nice rice paddies. I hope so will be for long, but yeah. Nice area actually to have a villa right now.
Yeah.
All right, so we are stopped on the end of the road because the road is actually finished over here, and there are 2 villas over here, and there are some yellow flag. I don't know what does it mean actually.
I think that this yellow flag, maybe, I don't know if I'm not mistaken, maybe this one already like
For land.
for land that already bought by someone, and then they put it the land.
Yeah.
So nobody else can use it except the owners.
And I think the land over here is still much cheaper than in Canggu, obviously, or in Sanur, or anywhere where it's already tourist destination. However, probably it's not like super cheap, but much cheaper still than Canggu. So some people are already deciding to build their villa over here. And as you see at the front, there are some people with dogs walking around. I think maybe they living here already. So yeah. Anyway, a lot of beautiful land around, beautiful rice fields around, and yeah, the road is finished actually here, the concrete road, and well, I don't know, there is the small road here going probably more into the area of the rice fields, and if I'm not mistaken, the small road heading to the beach, but unfortunately beach is closed anyway. I just realized that here is the sign. And if it's correct, that's mean if we're gonna go there, it's actually Tanakhlot temple. That's interesting. I don't know, Sunny, maybe we forgot to mention this area is very close to the Tanakhlot actually.
Exactly. Maybe let's explore and walk there in the morning, and
Yeah, it's still morning. It's actually already very hot, but it's morning. Some farmer over there. Beautiful rice fields here.
So this is how beautiful the rice paddies in Tabanan area. I hope that not many changing in the future. Finger crossed. So behind me is the brand new villa, I think, and this road is made for that, I think. Yeah, and over there is already on the beach.
Yes, over there is the beach, and meanwhile, beautiful rice fields. Not so bad area for villa so far.
Alright, so I just read interesting article yesterday about Mr. President Jokowi wants the new generation interested to be a farmers. And yes, in this article he said that Mr. Jokowi wants the farmers, the what is it called, as the good job for the youngsters. Well, I don't know what to say. As we are walking around Tabanan area nowadays, and right in front of me is a beautiful rice paddies. But in other side, when we walk in Kedungu area, some of the lands are already sold for the housing complex. I don't know that if the youngsters wants to be the rice farmers, they want to be farmers for their future. But seems like when I speak to the waiter and I ask, where are you from? And then he just from around here, and I ask, oh, look at this area. You must have quite lots of land here in Tabanan. And yeah, he said that he got quite lots of land, but he doesn't want to be a farmer because if he is a farmer, he doesn't have a monthly income, rather than if you compare like you working in the restaurant, something like that. So yeah, I don't think that most of the youngsters wants to be the farmers. Look at this, beautiful. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching, and as usual, see you tomorrow. Bye.